Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to unpack, install, and review the WhiteStone Dome Premium Film for the iPad Air 10.9 inch or the iPad Pro 11 inch screen protector. So let's first unpack this one and see what is inside. So at the back here, we can open up the pack, and I'm going to pull out and see what you're going to get inside this package here. Okay, so that is everything inside this package, and in here we're going to get the two package of the screen protector. So you get two pack in here, and you also get a pack of cleaning cloth. So if we take this one out, we're going to take a look on the inside. Here you got the cleaning cloth, you got the alcohol wipes. So two packs of alcohol wipes, and then you got this card to help you remove the bubbles later on when we are installing. And you got two pack of dust remover stickers. Okay, so that is what you get when you are buying this WhiteStone Premium paper-like film. So this one here is paper-like. It's really great if you are doing drawings. If you're an artist, you want to install this paper-like so that you can use Apple Pen to draw on your iPad Pro or the iPad Air. Okay, so first let's begin by placing your screen protector on top of the iPad screen. Make sure they are lined up correctly, and we're going to use two dust sticker, and we're going to place it at the top like this, and then another one, and we're going to place it at the top here. Okay, so we want to align the iPad in the correct position. So have the screen protector aligned correctly so that we can stick on the stickers. Okay, so once you're happy, once it is aligned correctly, we're going to stick it down. Okay, so I need to lift up the iPad, and then we're going to stick it down. Again, make sure it is lined up correctly, and then at the top here, we want to line it up like that. Okay, and then we're going to lift it up. Next, we're going to give the screen a good clean. So I'm going to use this alcohol wipe right here. You can see there's a lot of dust, so it's best if you go to a place where there is not much dust. So if there's a lot of dust, then it can be an issue. It will be difficult to clean the screen. So give it a good clean, and then we're going to use this cloth to dry it. So it's best if you just swipe in one direction so that we can pull all the dust down. Okay, so if there is any dust left over, we're going to use the dust remover stickers to remove any dust. Okay, now at the top, you want to pull this one halfway down. So you want to hold this one and then pull out the tab at the bottom halfway. So we want to put halfway up like so. And then place the screen protector down. And then slowly peel off the rest of the film. Don't worry if there are bubbles, we can push it out later on. Okay, so there you can see there are some bubbles up here, and that's okay. We will try to push it down using this card. I'm going to slowly peel it off. Just do it slowly. And now we're going to try to get the bubble out. And that's done. Now this film protector is quite thick, as you can see. If I zoom right in, you can see how thick it is. So thickness will allow your screen to be more protected. And after we peel out the top film, it does feel like paper. It's really nice. Be excellent if you are using it with a pencil. When I run my finger across here, I can feel it feel exactly like paper. And let's zoom it right in. You can see on the edge here and what it looks like on the paper. You can see there is kind of like rough surface. Okay, so let's take a look to see what it's like to write using the slide to type. This is a test. So it is very responsive to my sliding. When I slide, it picks up the word. It does feel like paper, like you're sliding on paper, and it also sounds like paper. If I slide it, you can hear it right now. Can you hear it? Can you hear it sound like paper? So yeah, it sounds like paper when you kind of like sliding on the iPad. And if I open up Procreate, okay, so let's test it out when we try to draw or write. So you can pick a different brush, flat brush, acrylics. And that is what it's like. Now I also find that it is quite durable. If I try to scratch on it, it doesn't actually make the scratch lines. I don't know if you can see it, but if I try to scratch, now if you press it really hard, then I guess it will scratch, but if you just do it lightly, it doesn't really scratch at all. So it's kind of good if you're using a pen to write, then it doesn't actually cause scratches easily. So that is kind of like a plus for me. And yeah, so overall I'm quite happy, really like this film. and it's from WhiteStone. So if you guys wanting to get something like this to protect your iPad, iPad Pro, or the iPad Air, then yeah, this is something definitely that you can get and try it out on your iPad. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.